Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 93 of building the Back to the Future car, the Delorean. The car that travelled at 88 miles an hour very, very briefly. But yeah, so the car parts that we have today, we're starting on the nose. We get the front section. We're putting the headlights into that, I believe. We're just putting the headlights into that and the grille section. And then putting it aside until we do a little bit more with it next time. But yeah, starting off with headlights and side lights and things like that. I like it. It's coming together. It feels like the last big part that's going onto the car. And then other than that, it's all just fluff and decoration. The final slice, effects work, because they finished shooting last time, if I remember. So now they're doing the special effects, which obviously the train, time traveling train, running over the car. The library, I don't remember the library. The balance, that's the bit under the nose, isn't it? It's sort of the, yeah, putting that in and putting that together, and then we're going to be putting that onto the car itself next time. So let's get with some electrics and plug these together. So here we have all of the parts. One type of screw. I like having one type of screw. Two types of wire, which we're not doing anything with immediately. We've got the headlights to fit in, which will go 2 ways up. I have to make sure I get them the right way up, assuming there is a right way. We'll check and see in a minute. Might not be. First of all, we're going to put the DMC badge. It's not DWC, it's DMC. That goes that way up into there. There's 2 screws that will hold that in place. I'll do those in a moment. These obviously all just drop into place as well. Let me have a closer look at them. See if there is orientation to worry about. Not that I can see. They don't seem to be overly concerned. There are some ridges and decorations on the inside of the bulb, but they all seem to be the same. So they will just drop in place in there. And again, 2 screws in each of those hold all that together just like that. I'll get those screwed in and then we'll come back and plug the wires in. Right, that's all of those screwed in nice and secure. All good stuff. So then we are putting some bulbs in. The white ones initially. Get the correct wire coming out the correct side. It's that way. So these 2 will just pop into these headlights. That one and that one. Like so. Then the next one's along there and there. And then we have the wire ready to be connected up to the wire that we've got loose already. The other one doesn't actually go anywhere as yet. It just goes out through these holes. And we'll be fitting those to the side light, fog light type things next time, I believe, because we've got more decorative stuff to put on the front here. So that's the nose started and almost finished. I'm happy with it. It looks nice. I like having the badge on there now. It brings it all sort of home. Looking forward to getting it connected up next time. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for that. Bye bye for now.